Single-phase and three-phase are two different types of electrical power systems used for the generation, transmission, and distribution of electric power. Single-phase power is a two- or alternating current electrical power system. It is commonly used in residential homes, small businesses, and light commercial applications. In a single-phase system, power is generated, transmitted, and consumed in a single waveform or cycle. The voltage in a single-phase system alternates between positive and negative values in a sine wave pattern. It provides a single alternating current waveform that varies in magnitude over time. In single-phase power systems, power is delivered through a single-phase conductor and a neutral wire. The voltage between the live wire and neutral wire is typically 120 volts in North America or 230 volts in many other parts of the world. Single-phase power is suitable for powering common household appliances, lighting, and smaller electrical motors. Three-phase power is a three-wire alternating current electrical power system. It is commonly used in industrial, commercial, and large-scale power distribution applications. In a three-phase system, power is generated, transmitted, and consumed as three overlapping waveforms or cycles. The three phases are typically denoted as phase A, phase B, and phase C. Each phase is 120 degrees out of phase with the other two phases. In a balanced three-phase system, the voltages between any two phases are equal and typically measured as 415 volts in most industrial and commercial settings. The three-phase power system provides higher power capacity and more efficient power transmission compared to single-phase systems. It is suitable for running large motors, industrial machinery, air conditioning systems, and other heavy loads. In summary, single-phase is a two-wire power system commonly used for residential and light commercial applications, while three-phase is a three-wire power system used for industrial, commercial, and large-scale power distribution purposes.